Is the United Kingdom a country or a union of several countries? The answer is both. England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland, these four countries together form the United Kingdom. But the question is, how does it actually work? On the international stage, such as in the United Nations or the World Health Organization, the United Kingdom is considered a single sovereign state. There is a central government for the entire union, a single passport and a single currency, as well as unified defense and foreign policy. That is, decisions about war or agreements with other countries can only be made by the central government. However, in sports, the picture is a bit different. In the FIFA World Cup, England, Scotland, or Wales compete as separate countries. But in the Olympics, they all participate together as Great Britain or Team GB. Internally, the countries have been given quite a bit of power. Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland have their own parliaments or assemblies. They manage areas such as education, health, and local transport themselves. But an interesting point is that England does not have its own separate parliament. England is governed directly by the central parliament of the United Kingdom. In simple terms, it is a union where the countries are internally autonomous, but internationally it is recognized as a single, powerful sovereign state.